Hey, what's up? Today I have a baked salmon recipe for you. It's done in a Greek style marinade with some rice, all done in one pot, baked in the oven. Super easy, pretty quick, and not that complicated at all. So, first things first, preheat our oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. The next thing is our salmon. For this, I'm just going to use a regular bag, and all I'm going to do is add a couple of things in this so I can get the salmon going. First of all, I'm going to take about half a cup of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. That's going to go in. I'm going to do the zest and the juice, actually the juice of 2 lemons and the zest of 1. Perfect, just like that. Gonna roll this one out, cut it in half, roll this one out as well. That's good there. And the zest. That's perfect. The next flavoring we're gonna add, or part of our marinade, is some dill. Dill and salmon work fantastic. So I'm just gonna finely chop this real quick. Perfect. That's gonna go in there. And now, I don't season my marinades. I prefer to season the actual food. So right now, I'm just gonna put this in there, give this a really quick mix up here, just like that. Perfect. I've got here about a pound of salmon fillets. I'm gonna just toss those in. I'm gonna take 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. You're always doubling the liquid to the rice. It just works out perfectly that way. I'm gonna do a little bit of pepper in my rice, right in the water. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. Salt it right in there. And the key to my flavor profile for my rice is a little bit of red pepper paste, the roasted red pepper paste. And for this, I'm gonna use about 1 to 2 tablespoons. If you don't have this, you could always skip it and just use like chicken base or some kind of base, soup base. That'll work as well to flavor up your rice. Now, I'm just gonna give this here a really, really quick mix. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of my Greek extra virgin olive oil as well to my rice, just to help it from sticking. Back to our salmon now. I'm gonna take these and just place them on top of my rice. Now, add a little bit of salt just on the top of the salmon, as well as a little pepper, and we're pretty much ready to go. So now I'm just gonna pop this into my 375 degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes, or until the rice has completely absorbed the liquid. So now, right out of the oven, about 5 minutes ago, done to absolute perfection. The salmon is nice and pink and flaky. The rice has absorbed all the liquid, all the flavor of our roasted red pepper paste. Absolutely perfect. No time like the present. Let me just start plating this up. That's a nice, generous serving here. Perfect. Rice, look how flaky and just how fluffy that rice is. Grab a little bit of feta and just crumble a little bit of feta, more so for seasoning than anything else. Let's give this puppy a whirl here. Let me try a little bit of rice first with the feta. It's a little hot, but so good. The spice of the red pepper paste in the rice gets perfectly balanced with that cool saltiness of the feta. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now watch this. Let me just try a little bit of salmon and rice and feta. So that's it for this episode on my baked salmon with rice in a Greek-style marinade. Lemon, olive oil, dill works perfectly. You have a meal for four, at least for four, in well under 45 minutes from start to finish. So until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other. Stay safe, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Much love. Bye for now.